Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalam-o-alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the most important topics for CSS 2023 essay exam. I will share with you the most important dimensions of the repeated themes in CSS essay exam. So let's get started. First one is education. So the dimensions of education you should prepare before CSS 2023 essay exam include: future of Pakistan lies in education of its masses. The highest result of education is tolerance. Our educational system has failed to deliver. Online education prospects and challenges. Single national curriculum prospects and challenges. Pandemic and crisis of education. Second theme is war and peace, and the dimensions under this theme are: is world peace possible? Extremism has become an existential threat for Pakistan. World peace is an elusive dream. Can we prevent Third World War? Next theme is democracy. Democracy has improbable future in Pakistan. Dissent is the foundation of democracy. Pakistan is a republic with democracy deficit. Pakistani democracy lacks democratic ethos. Then liberal democracy and its future. Then gender, women rights in Islam or Pakistan. Empowerment of women with reference to Pakistan. Emancipation of women, merits and demerits. Status of women in Islam or Pakistan. Equality of women, merits and demerits. Education of women in Pakistan. Role of women in Pakistan. Then social media. Social media, blessing or curse. Social media has killed our freedom. Man is a social animal, but social media has made it antisocial. Governance. Pakistan is not a failed state, but a state of failed governance. Can presidential system improve governance in Pakistan? Forms of government, let the fools contest. Whatever is the best administered is the best. Then climate change. There is no planet B, so there must not be plan B. Can we survive ecological collapse? Last is Islamophobia. Emergence of Islamophobia, causes and consequences. Then Islamophobia is antagonist to ethos of globalization. These all are the most important themes regarding essay exam. You must have prepared these themes before sitting in the CSS essay exam. That's all for today's video. Hope so it will be useful for you. If you want more videos like these, then do subscribe my channel. Also press the bell button so that you can get the notification of coming videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.